Okay, Marty here at the Village Collection. Today is June 3rd. That's Wednesday. And we are looking at the Echo Lane project. Another phase of the area is complete. This is the laundry and the mudroom. As you can see, it's paint grade with like a shaker style door with a petite inside edge detail. Very, very clean, nice, sleek look. Still traditional looking. And anyways, so we have the upper cabinets. This area here with the open knee space, we have the drawers above it. And just like everywhere else, they're all solid maple dovetail drawers. Now, when you're looking at, this is the sink cabinet here, want this to be noted for the installer. You'll see the finished ends, instead of just being extended 1 inch, they're actually extended 2 inches. And the reason is that all of these cabinets are going to be held off the wall 1 inch. So you're going to just take that 1 inch off for the scribe, and should be held off about 1 inch. And underneath here, it's just blank space for all the plumbing. And we have another drawer. And then the double waste bin right here. And like everywhere else, all soft close, full extension. And here you have a pull-out and adjustable shelf. Now we get over to the linen cabinet. I'm assuming that linen's probably going to go in there, but adjustable shelves. Notice they're shallower than the depth of the cabinet. Perhaps there might be hooks going on here, I'm not sure. And then no shelf up here in that section. Now we go over to the washer and dryer. They're going right here. And this cabinet, I think, is like 38 inches deep. This one's going to be held off the wall so that they align flush in the front. And that's why you have the very long extended finished end over there. And these are all the axle feet and your various clips for the toe kicks, fast caps, and your shop drawings right there. A very heavy duty adjustable shelf that's double thick. Well, actually it's 1.5 inches thick on the front, so it's very, very strong. Something to notice here on our finished ends, we do, even if they're paint grade, they still miter fold. It's just nice clean, you don't have that seam there. One of those extra details I like to point out. I'm going to take you over to the bench area. I'm sorry, there is an upper cabinet here as well. This one goes above the washer dryer area, and adjustable shelves there, and same here. Now we'll go over to the bench, and we have this beautiful walnut wood top. Again, you know, that's a miter fold edge, not a butt joint. So just a very, very clean look. And then we have the cubbies down below. And then going inside here, this is actually upside down because we don't want to mess up this edge. That's going to be sitting on top of the bench. And you got the paneled back and the 3 open cubbies. Everywhere where the cabinets, wood tops, stiles, anything that meets another surface, floor, wall, ceiling, those are extended 1 inch so they can be properly scribed. And I think that's it. I believe we're pre-finishing this here. So it'll be going into our finishing shop. And as it's wrapping up, Ralph will be reaching out to you guys to get that delivery scheduled. And he'll always be there for the ready if you have any questions during the installation process. So thank you again. And we have more rooms coming at you real quick. Thank you.